This Century 21 Dean Gilbert Realtors property video is presented by Nancy Torres. Brand new home on corner lot. You will fall in love with the open floor plan. Just perfect to enjoy when inviting your friend and family wherever you sit. The house layout provides privacy via hallway for your 3 bedrooms. Your corner lot provides access to large backyard via alley. Please have your preferred agent schedule an appointment. For more information, review the details below or contact Nancy Torres at 940-704-0674.